everyone! So today I am going to show you how to use this amazing website called StudyStack. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the website itself. Now we've arrived at the website, you can choose to log in or to sign up for a new account. So this is the dashboard of your StudyStack page. If you have created any stacks, it will be listed here. But since we haven't created anything, let's create a new stack. This is the settings tab where you can fill in information about your stacks. You can choose the type of question and answers that you want to ask your students, and also some random settings that you can pick. And also to categorize your stacks according to the list given. Once everything is good, you can save your changes. Now that the settings are done, you can go to the Data tab. Here you can fill in the questions and also their respective answers. If you have more questions to add, you can add more blank rows. Now that you have everything that you need for your StudyStack, you can either choose to start studying your stacks or to edit more. In the Slides tab, you can add images to your slides. However, you need to verify your email account. So let's get going to the flashcards and also the games. So this is the set of stacks that we have created based on the questions and answers that we filled. You can flip to see the answer, and your students can choose whether they know or they do not know the answer. So this is the result of your students' level of comprehension. So your students can try to retry all of the cards in the download box or to restart all the cards at once. Here is the answer section. So now let's try playing a few games. In this game, your students can have fun by matching the questions with the respective answers. Now let's try another game. In this game, your students can use their keyboard in order to move the bug around to eat the correct bugs. Next, you can also test your students' understanding in the test section. What I like about this website is the fact that it allows us to print the flashcards that we've made and also the test questions by simply clicking print. There's a lot of options of the printable pages that we can generate, like table view, index cards, and so on and so forth. So let's try to generate a table view. Now you can choose to print this table and give it to your students. If you want to have a test with your students, then you can also generate printable page for tests. Easy, right? Now let's go back to our dashboard. The stacks that we have created is now listed on our dashboard. We can choose to edit it or to create a new one. Now let's log out a little bit. Now, StudyStack is not just powerful because we can create new stacks, but we can also search for flashcards that have already been created by other students and teachers by simply searching it at the search bar. For example, I want to search about English grammar. You can see that there's quite an amount of flashcards that have already been created. Let's take a look. Here's the flashcards. Basically, it has the same functions like what we've explored using our own stacks just now. You can also play the same games, but now it's a whole different topic. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have fun exploring StudyStack on your own. Bye bye!